Nah, let's get right to it.
It might feel like it's 20 out
No,
there, but
yeah.
it feels like 75 and sunny and perfection when
I
you
need a
have
margarita.
guac and chips
Yeah.
and stuff.
Sol
A
Burrito.
margarita would be nice, yes.
This is week 2 of Sol Burrito.
It is, yes. Right in Monroe Ave. I'm fortunate enough to know Mike for quite a while. His restaurant was not far from mine. Sol Burrito on Monroe Avenue. Incredible.
Okay.
What'd you make this time?
Mike?
We made tortas, which are basically Mexican sandwiches on a toasted telera roll. Most of the ingredients you'll see in a burrito, just kind of as a sandwich.
Sounds
Ooh.
perfect.
We have a
Let's
full
take
torta
look.
menu. Yeah.
Let's take a look.
All right, today, Mike, we're going to be doing some tortas, right? Explain to the viewers out there what a torta is.
It's basically just a sandwich, a Mexican deli sandwich.
Torta means sandwich in Spanish.
Correct. Well,
Yep.
it means cake, I think.
Oh, it does?
Or bread.
That's what I thought. Yeah.
Okay, so this is
Wait, you make me look bad?
this is. I think it means cake. I don't
It's my
know.
show. Gonna have my cake and eat it too today.
All right, so this is telera bread.
Telera bread.
Right. It's described best as probably a cross between an English muffin and French bread. So
Oh,
it's,
yeah?
it's crusty, but it's soft in the middle. It's got the nooks and crannies, as you can see.
Cool, cool. Looks like kind of like a little ciabatta too, as a
Yep.
matter of fact. And this is a Spanish bread,
It's
correct?
a stone ground Spanish bread, correct?
Awesome, awesome. Torta, cake, sandwich. We're gonna do that. You guys do a lot of these here, different varieties.
That's
today,
right.
What kind are we gonna do today?
Well, they're similar to the burritos, but they're a little different as well. First off, we toast the,
Telera.
toast the bun.
Got a little toasted telera. Now, I just want to show people this. This is love right here, my friend.
Yeah.
This is your pork shoulder.
Correct.
Cooked for how long?
Normally about 11 or 12 hours.
Oh my God, and this just flakes apart. You got your tomatoes, your onions, your spices, little adobo in there.
Yeah, there's some bay leaves and some fresh thyme.
When we take this meat out of there, can I bathe in that?
Right, yeah.
That would be beautiful.
Okay.
That's the stuff right there, my friends. All right, so back to
Right.
our torta.
Okay, we're gonna start with some beans. So we'll make this one with the refried beans.
Cool. Beautiful. Now, beans, you got refried. You've also got another bean here too, right? What do you got? Black beans.
Correct.
Beautiful. So you got a lot of choices here.
Yep, they're both vegetarian. The refried and the black beans are just ones. These are pinto beans, and these are just regular black beans.
Beautiful.
Vegetarian.
Unlike me, who cooks my black beans and my pinto beans in bacon fat, you don't do that.
Well, we used to.
Oh,
we
is
used
that
to,
right?
right.
Oh, I love it.
Okay.
Fooling all the vegetarians.
Yep. So we got some cheese on
Can't
there.
do that now.
And then here's the pulled pork. Just grab
11 or
some.
12 hours of love right there, baby, in the oven. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
All right. All right, at this point, we're gonna bring it over here.
So you guys have tacos, burritos, tortas. Also, you do a breakfast, like a brunch kind of a thing with scrambled eggs and all that, right?
That's right.
Huevos.
I'm gonna finish this with some mayonnaise.
Regular mayonnaise. Now, I like the spicy stuff once again. Well,
Okay.
Just throwing that out there, so.
Got it.
Just in case I'm going to be sampling this.
Let's try a little of this
We'll
then.
bring Hannah in to give another little taste test as well because she dug that burrito last week.
All right, baby spinach. This is salsa fresca again.
Beautiful. So baby spinach, you got your spicy chipotle sour cream blend that you guys make right here. Got the queso fresco right on.
Right.
What else?
A little mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise, right?
The beans, the meat, the cheese.
How about a little jalapeno?
That's right.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah.
Just add that right there.
Ah,
All right, looks good.
yeah, it looks great.
Get this together. All right.
So this is how we serve it here. You got your tortilla chips.
Yep.
Our
Fresh fried
torta?
chips. Yep.
Now, what is the name of this torta?
This is a carnitas torta.
The
It's
carnitas.
pulled pork with refried beans.
It's basically pork cake. Is that right, Mike?
Pork cake.
Pork cake. All right, I'm gonna call Hannah over here because, well, she likes this stuff. Me
Oh,
too.
hey.
Hey,
Food? I'm coming.
let's do it, girl.
Oh my gosh.
Warm toasted bread, that warm pulled pork, ridiculous.
So good. Unbelievable.
You got that cold salsa in there. Spot on, Mike. Absolutely incredible.
I'm glad you like it. Thank you very much.
Of course, Welker got in on the goods. That looks delicious.
She just shows up. She smells it.
She does. She knows. She
just
comes running.
knows.
Well, guess what? You walked in and we could smell this. You've got fresh salsa, fresh guacamole with these chips. What's on them, Mike? You said
Just a lime pepper seasoning. obviously.
Yeah, they deep fry their own chips, season them up, and you can't stop eating these.
No,
You're not kidding.
I'm trying to control
These
myself.
are incredible.
It's not working so well. Did the chips come like aside with all the meals?
With the salsa fresca and the guacamole, and we have a spinach and artichoke dip that we make fresh and serve with that as well.
Oh, man. Where is Sol Burrito for people who need to know?
We're on Monroe Avenue near Goodman,
Okay.
near the city, so in the old Country Suite building.
What time do you open?
11?
Okay.
11 o'clock? What time do you close?
10.
All right.
Congratulations, almost 8 years.
That's right, yeah, in a couple weeks it'll be 8 years. Thank you.
That's awesome.
Thanks.
Jerry, you know how to find them.
I do know how to find them, and I know good Mexican food, and this guy does Mexican good.
Jen, now, see, what Jen's not telling you is that this is her kryptonite. Like, she gets around this.
I know.
She
I've
just
already
kind
had
of.
like 9.
Here, shall I put this on your lap?
10th? Yes, please.
We'll be right back.